Hey guys, and welcome everybody to the brand new honest reaction video, and this one is Patreon requested. It's for Natalia. Thank you so much for sponsoring it. So today we got around to White Noise, and I remember I was checking out one of the live stages that they did, and it included White Noise, and I had to skip it. Like, I listened to the other songs, I think either 2 or 3 other songs that were in the performance, but I skipped White Noise because I haven't heard it at that time, so I couldn't listen to it. That's like my rule. I usually listen to the audio version first and then check out the live stage. So yeah, let's get around to it now. But before we jump in, guys, don't forget to check out my Patreon, where you firstly can request a song or a video like this, and also see more than 500 exclusive reaction videos, including, just like I said, EXO live stages, as well as stages by other groups like NCT, Super M, taemin, taeyeon, SNSD, Shiny, aespa, IU, and others. Then dance shows like Street Woman Fighter and Street Dance Girls Fighter, K-movies and K-drama reactions like My Mister, Hotel de Loona, It's Okay, It's Not Be Okay, Scarlet Heart, 81 Class, The Producers, Goblin, Descendants of the Sun, The Glory, and many, many more. So all of that is on my Patreon. The link is down below, and let's begin with it. Here we go. White Noise. 백색소음.
Lonely night 밀려오는 날 막을 수 없는 새벽 이 파도 소리에 난 떠내려가는
Interesting instrumental. This element is very prominent right away. Oh, nice synth. So you see, it goes from a drier type of feel of the instrumental to something more kind of atmospheric and reverby and echoey. So here, right here, it's kind of dry, right? Not a lot of reverb. But here, all of a sudden, you see? Ooh, cool harmony there in the background. Wow. Ooh, I like how somebody sounds. Very light. 조금 더 세차게 내려줄래 복잡한 내 마음이 다시 켜지도록 기울였던 밤 어딘가 멀지 않은 곳에 Not far away, no 누군가 그대로 서 있어 같은 자리에 널 생각하면서지 baby Oh, love how Dio sounds here. He sounds quite bright here, I want to say. Like, as if we can hear a very slight smile while he's singing it. I don't know what it's about. Obviously, we'll check out later the lyrics, but it sounds kind of positive. 이 세상 모든 소리 중에 너를 찾아내면 돼 너의
혼자서 물어보는 너의 연보 흔적마저 다 떠난 후 나셔져간 소음들 속에 혹시나 지나칠지 모를 희미한 소음호까지 이 바람은 왠지 널 지나쳐 왔을지도 몰라 순간 멈춘 모든 게 꿈 같아 여전히 새하얀 안개 속에서 나는 길을 잃은 somebody Somebody loves you Somebody loves you
Oh, beautiful.
잡을 수가 없었어 잠시 just hold on tight 내 곁에 없어도 넌 내 안에 있어
I love how this part is slowly building itself, how new layers get added. Like, first it's just one vocal. I think it's Taeyeon, right? No, this is... Hold on, who's this? Who's this? Why am I so confused about who's singing this line? Chan? I actually can't tell who's singing this line. Wait, where is this Dio? Hold on. Oh yeah, it must be Dio. Right, so Dio begins and then the new... And some, I think that's Chan in the background, somebody. And then like the new harmony gets added and then the whole instrumental. Or maybe Suho? In the background, I mean. Suho here. Ends quite abruptly. Right, so now let's find the lyric video for it and see what it's about. Alright, there it is, and I just saw the live stage that I already reacted to, the one that I was talking about earlier, so part of it. So it was White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love. And I actually reacted to precisely 2 songs out of the 4. So Playboy and Thunder, and Artificial Love, and also White Noise. I skipped those because I haven't heard them before, but you see, now it's fixed with White Noise. Artificial Love, we might check out in the future videos, and then I might come back to that unwatched portion of the live stage. Okay.
Lonely night 밀려오는 날 막을 수 없는 새벽 이 파도 소리에 난 떠내려가는 중인걸 Oh no 내 기억은 돌아가 언젠가 너와 있던 곳에 Not far away no 시간이 갈수록 그리워 네 예쁜 음성도 그 얕은 숨소리까지 baby I hear you I feel you 볼 수가 없어도 널 들을 수 있어 눈을 감고서 이 세상 모든 소리 중에 너를 찾아내면 돼 너의 작은 웃음소리로 난 네가 잘 지낸다는 그것만 확인하면 돼 Somebody Someone loves you babe Oh 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 너는 비가 되어 내려와 조금 더 세차게 내려줄래 복잡한 내 마음이 다시 켜지도록 기울여 들어봐 어딘가 멀지 않은 곳에 Not far away no 누군가 그대로 서 있어 같은 자리에 널 생각하면 하면서지 baby. Oh, I hear you, I feel you. 볼 수가 없어도 널 들을 수 있어. 눈을 감고서 이 세상 모든 소리 중에 너를 찾아내면 돼. 너의 작은 웃음소리면 안심할 수 있을 것 같아. Right here, yeah. 혼자서 물어보는 너의 연보 흔적마저 다 떠난 후 나셔져간 소음들 속에 혹시나 지나칠지 모를 희미한 소음호까지 이 바람은 왠지 널 지나쳐 왔을지도 몰라 순간 멈춘 모든 게 꿈 같아 여전히 새하얀 안개 속에서 나는 길을 잃은 somebody. Somebody loves you. 부디 이건 나서줘. 잡을 수가 없었어. 잠시 just hold on tight. 내 곁에 없어도 넌 내 안에 있어. 눈을 감고서 수많은 날들 중에 하루를 다시 건네보면 돼. 행복하길 바라고 있어. 어디든지 볼 수가 없어도 널 들을 수 있어. 눈을 감고서 이 세상 모든 소리 중에 너를 찾아내면 돼. 너의 작은 웃음소리로 난 네가 잘 지낸다는 그것만 확인하면 돼.
Right. So this is White Noise by EXO. So now I'm certainly looking forward to the live stage because it's pretty much the same feel and atmosphere like Thunder and like Playboy. Of course, this one and Playboy, they sound quite different, but I think still the vibe is the same. So yeah. So with this one, I certainly did enjoy some parts of the instrumental. So I do like that electronic prominent sound that I pinpointed. So it's like it's very textured, it's very hyper pop sounding. So in general, I like that. Of course, I enjoyed their voices, like in the places where they were, for example, singing with more minimal instrumental. I was really enjoying it. Everyone sounded great. So yeah, I want to say my favorite part about this one was the vocals. So now about the melodies and everything else, and of course for me subjectively, personally, I don't really know. Like on one hand, I see the potential of this one. Maybe if I hear it in the live performance, maybe if I just give it a few more listens, maybe listen to it on a different device, maybe I'm going to enjoy it more. But right now, I don't really know if I'm going to come back to this one. Yeah, nothing specifically. I just somehow, didn't get hooked with this one. But I did enjoy certain elements. So yeah, I think something like this. There weren't too many things that I was talking about here, apart from the vocals, I want to say. So you see, even like looking at what I was saying during my reaction, it's a very clear sign that I enjoyed their voices the most in this one. So yeah, something like this. Would actually love to hear it in the live setting, and where they're not dancing but just singing, just either standing still or sitting down and singing the song, because that way they can focus only on singing. So yeah, would be curious to find out how I would feel about it in that sort of rendition. So yeah, something like this for this one. Let me know how you guys feel about the song. Thank you, Natalia, for sponsoring this video, and catch you in the next one. As always, take care, keep listening to great music, and love.